blur, blur, blur. Make or become unclear or less distinct. Look at this picture. Can you see how it's becoming unclear and less visible? It's getting blurred. Now look how it gets clear again after being blurry for a while. Let's use blur in a sentence now. Everything is a blur when I take my glasses off. I think my eye power has gone up again. Blur, blur, blur. Make or become unclear or less distinct.
Guess what? I met this. Actually, I saw this person. The street was so crowded. So she was a very good friend of mine when we were in school, and I really wanted to talk to her. I really wanted to say hi to her, but then the street was so crowded. I just missed her, and I really want to meet her now.
So then, why don't you give her a call?
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah.
All right. So her number. I remember her number.
Don't you have her number saved?
No, I remember her number by heart. Let me just dial her number, okay? Because I remember calling her every single day when we were in school. 887 7.
I don't think you remember anymore.
At one point, I remembered her number by heart. It's such a blur now. I can't seem to recall the number.
There must be a telephone book or a directory that you can look at, maybe.
I never saved her number because I knew it by heart. It's such a blur in my head now. I can't seem to recall. Was it 8, 7 or 9?
Why don't you ask some other friend? Maybe they'll have her number.
Yeah, I suppose so.
Let's use blur in a sentence now. It all happened so long ago that it's just a blur to me now.